How to find your stored credentials in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all of your stored credentials in your n8n. So for that, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch your n8n instance. Since I run my n8n locally, I have launched my local n8n instance. Now, in order to find out all of the credentials that you have, you need to click onto this home overview, and within this home overview, you can see the credentials. From here, you can find all of the credentials that you have added in all of your workflows in n8n. So that was all for this particular video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, do make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. If you run into any issues or if you have any suggestions, you can also drop it down in the comments. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.